Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix corrupt game data detected on Valorant. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you need to go to on search and you just need to type run. On run window, you need to write %local update to %. Press OK. Look for Riot Games folder. Click on it. Look for Valorant folder. Right click and delete it. Then go back and here look for Valorant folder. Then you need to go to and delete this particular folder as well, right? And after you do so, go to Riot Client, click on Valorant, and then on Valorant, you need to look for settings or your profile icon here. Then go to account detail settings or account details. Probably settings, and then you need to scroll down until you see repair button. Press on it, start repair, and after that, after repair is done, you can go back and Valorant should work. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.